Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, we will explore how to scan the inverse head and shoulders chart pattern on the cryptopy.net website and understand how to enter trades. First, let's go to the cryptopy.net website and click on the chart pattern section. Select the inverse head and shoulders option from the type section in the opened window. As you can see, numerous scanning results have emerged. Let's examine the scanning results one by one. Our first result is on OP/USDT perp on the 15-minute time frame, and it's in a bullish direction. Click the chart button to open the chart. We can identify a clear inverse head and shoulders pattern. It involves 3 low points and 2 high points. To initiate a trade, enter when the price breaks above the neckline and retests it. Place a stop order below the most recent low for risk management. The second result is TRX/USDT perp on 15-minute timeframe and bullish direction. Third result is KDA/USDT on the 1-hour timeframe and bullish direction. The last one is LOCA/USDT on the 1-hour timeframe and bullish direction. As you can see, we can easily and quickly identify inverse head and shoulders or other formations. You can visit the cryptopy.net website and sign up to try and identify these formations yourself. Feel free to reach me through the Telegram address or email provided in the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.